Okay, we are doing the official room video. This is room 19104 at the Flamingo Hotel in beautiful sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. I like the looks of this room, though this remodel is quite a number of years old, and you can definitely tell that the room has been well used over time. Got a little coffee maker, got a little refrigerator. I actually just bought a few beverages to put in the fridge. Big floor-to-ceiling mirror to check yourself out, you so desire. I like the little kind of daybed thing. That's kind of cool. Can sit and look outside. We actually have a pretty good view. And actually, we also have these little remote control shears. Everything opens up, and we have a really beautiful view across the street to Caesar's Palace. And back around, you can see the Mirage. Off in the distance, you can see Rio and Palms. And from this side, sorry, we got a little bit of a glare here. You can actually see the Lake Bellagio and the fountain area. So I wonder if we turn the light off over here, whether you can see that a little bit better. That's not the light that's bothering us, is it? Maybe it's this one. But, so it's a really nice view. This is considered a strip view room, which it is, clearly. And we're on the 19th floor, and there's, I don't know if you can tell, I'm sure you probably can, I have the mesh Donnie and Marie, which makes the view a little bit less impressive. You have a decent sized television, it's not huge. And you have this sort of, again, kind of almost at this point retro Denon music system. I think that's a DVD player as well. But I don't generally bring a lot of DVDs to Las Vegas. A fairly nice workspace over here. Although this sort of alarm clock thing, I couldn't figure out how to program it, and I finally just unplugged it. So if you want a place to sit down and write some notes, you've got it. The bed's, it's pretty comfortable. King size bed. It was nice. I enjoyed it. The coffee was terrible, but that's what you get for free hotel room coffee. Pretty good sized closet. About 7-8 hangers. Got the little luggage rack, and the safe is inside the room. So there you go. Bathroom also, I like the look of the bathroom. It does actually still have the TV in the mirror, but it's an older TV. It's not, I don't even think it's high definition. Pretty sure it's not high definition. Got that sort of basin style sink. Your towels, supplies, etc. Inside the shower. It's a pretty good sized shower. Interesting design. But be careful if you get one of these rooms, because these showers have like a spray that sprays directly out for you to, I don't know, clean your midsections, I guess. I know I have a lot of midsection grime that needs to be cleaned out, but if you're not careful and you turn the shower on and you're not, don't have the door closed, the shower will spray all over the floor, which happened to me today. Fortunately, the nice maid cleaned that up. But yeah, as I say, I think you can see sort of places where this is, it's just kind of worn. These rooms are a little bit worn. So I suspect once they finish remodeling the fab rooms, this might be the next thing they do. I've had several problems here, to be honest. It's very crowded in the hotel. It's hard to get around, but it's a busy weekend, so that's not really a big deal. But I've had several problems getting into the room. My keys not working very well, so I'm not super pleased with the Flamingo. I wanted to stay here, and I'm glad I checked it out, but Yeah, I'm not sure that I'll be back to the Flamingo anytime soon. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it provided some good information for you. If you liked it, please like it, and please consider subscribing to this channel.